I'm going to show you the best strategy on how you can get money on Temu. Now, the way you can get money on Temu is that you can do the Temu affiliate and influencer program, which basically means you'll become an influencer and you can affiliate and earn commission when you buy something or when someone buys something from your link. So basically, what you will do is that you can tap on Get Started here, and then you will get a link. Now, when someone buys something from your link, you will get money from that, right? So you earn a commission. Now, this is one of the easiest way you can get money on Temu. It's very legit as well. You can also do the lighter version of this, and instead of being an affiliate, you can also just refer a friend. So when you refer a friend, you don't need to sign up. You can also just do it from your account. You can get a referral code, and then when someone signs up or make a new account with that Temu account, and then you use their referral code, they will earn a commission as well. So in your case, if you do an affiliate and influencer program, you'll get straight money. But if it's referring someone, you might just get coupons, or you do might get money, but it only earns a small amount. So your two options are either being an affiliate and influencer program, so you earn a commission and direct money, or you can just refer your friends, but the rewards will be a little lower as well.